In today's busy world, maintaining a clean and tidy home can be a challenge. Juggling work, family, and social obligations often leaves little time for the endless chore of cleaning. But what if there was a way to make cleaning easier, more efficient, and even hands-free? Enter the ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the revolutionary robot vacuum that seamlessly integrates into your home, taking the burden of floor cleaning off your shoulders.
Feature number 1. Ultimate hands-free cleaning with the OMNI Station. Imagine a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors but also empties its bin, washes its own mops, and dries them after each cleaning session. That's the beauty of the ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo's self-emptying OMNI Station. With its 3L sealed dust bag, the OMNI Station automatically sucks up dust and debris, keeping your robot vacuum working at peak performance for up to 60 days. And the innovative mop-washing and hot air drying system ensures that your mops are always clean and ready to tackle even the toughest stains. Feature number 2. Impeccable cleaning with powerful suction and OZMO Turbo mopping. When it comes to cleaning performance, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni doesn't compromise. Its powerful 5,000 pascals suction effectively picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets, leaving your floors spotless. And the OZMO Turbo 2.0 dual rotating mop system tackles stubborn stains with ease, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Feature number 3. Intelligent mapping and obstacle avoidance for a smarter clean. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni isn't just about brute force cleaning, it's also about intelligent navigation and obstacle avoidance. Powered by True Mapping 2.0 technology, the robot utilizes LiDAR and D2F sensors to generate highly accurate maps of your home, ensuring a more efficient and thorough clean. And with AI-VI 3.0 technology, the robot can precisely identify and avoid common household obstacles, preventing collisions and entanglements. Feature number 4. Industry-leading voice control for effortless cleaning. In a world driven by convenience, voice control has become a game-changer. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni seamlessly integrates with smart home ecosystems, allowing you to control it using simple voice commands. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or busy in the kitchen, you can instruct your robot to clean specific rooms or areas with just a few words. Feature number 5. Live monitoring and two-way video call for peace of mind. With the ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni, you can stay connected to your home even when you're away. Its Starlight camera provides real-time video streaming, allowing you to check on your family and pets. And with the two-way video call feature, you can have interactive conversations, adding an extra layer of security and peace of mind. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni is more than just a robot vacuum, it's a revolutionary approach to cleaning that combines powerful performance with intelligent technology and hands-free convenience. With its self-emptying OMNI Station, powerful suction, OZMO Turbo mopping, True Mapping 2.0 navigation, industry-leading voice control, and live monitoring capabilities, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is the perfect solution for busy households seeking a smarter, more